Buonasera, good evening everyone, and welcome back to House Hunters Italy. I'm here in Tuscany, not far from where I live. My name is Marisa Barilaro Sheraton, and I'm going to host you through this lovely home tour here that I've come to with my lovely friend Elisa. Now, this is a real little gem. That's the best way to describe it. It's 68 square meters of house, but it's like a separate little house. It's above another property, but you're going to understand what I mean. You come through your own private gate into your own private garden. Yes, I did say garden. They are like hen's teeth to find in village homes. We are in the heart of the magnificent village of Lari, which I adore. There's a castle here, there's the Martelli pasta factory, there's all sorts of things going on, and it's a beautiful, beautiful village. You will love it. Lots of lovely places to eat, to drink, and the best gelato is, in my opinion, that there is for a long way, many kilometers. So I'm standing in the garden. You can see behind me there's a garden shed that also belongs to the property. So let me take you around and show you this absolute little gem of Tuscany. I'm sure you're going to love it. It's the best lock up and leave I've seen for a long, long time. Let's go, andiamo. Right, when you first enter the property, you come in a little passageway at the bottom, and then you come up a few steps and you straight away meet with this gorgeous little house. Let's call it a little casetta because it's just a sweet little house. I'm in front of a gorgeous olive tree here that actually has a lot of olives on it at the moment. I was having a close look just before. Let me find them. I haven't got my glasses on. Oh yes, here they are. There's lots of lovely little olives there, as you can see. Now there's that lovely garden shed there at the other end of the garden. Let me just turn around for you, have a little walk here. Of course the grass is mostly parched with no one here looking after it, but you can have a lovely grassy area. You have your little barbecue over here already ready to go. There's another little area here that's covered over where they're obviously, I would say, keeping their timber because there's an open fireplace inside. So it's private. It's like being in your own little world. We're in the middle of the village, but in fact you just feel so private here, and it really is a gorgeous size garden, just enough to look after. There's a passageway down the side, and you can see the gate there on the side that also leads you a different way in and out of the house if you want to go via a communal little garden as well. So I will show you that when we get back into town. But just turning around now to show you the entryway and this lovely terrace. There's a paved terrace there. Put a table and chairs there and just sit and look out at those spectacular views over the Tuscan Hills. All the way over all those beautiful cypress laden hills. I can see beautiful villas, and you'll see from the inside window we can see all the way to Pontedera and beyond. We can actually see Pisa on a clear day. It's very, very heat hazy today because of the extreme heat. But let's go inside. What you're going to notice straight away with this home is it has been fully restructured and renovated. So there's absolutely not a thing to do. Really lovely new modern laminate floors. We come straight into the little seating area, which has this really lovely corner fireplace, hence the area outside for looking after keeping your timbers nice and dry. Now there are mosquito and fly nets on the windows, but we've just lifted them up so we can show you that beautiful vista. I hope the wind isn't catching too much in the microphone. I do have its cover on, but it sometimes still catches. Look at that. Lovely terracotta tiles to look out over as well. Now the furnishings you see are all staying except for just one wardrobe in the bedroom. So this is a one-bedroom property of 68 square meters. All the windows are new, double glazed. So this is all remaining should you wish. As you can see, the kitchen is a really lovely little kitchen. It's a good size actually for a small building, and it's in lovely condition, really, really new. So you've got gas top cooking there. You've got your lovely top and bottom cupboards, 1.5 sink there, a lovely oven at the right height. I always like when they do that. And then this should be an incorporated fridge, yes. And then your freezer above there as well, with the cupboard there that closes off. And there's a window here where you will see the little passageway through the communal area. I must admit, I love when they put in nice deep drawers for pots and pans. I think that's always really great. So you've got 4 of those there. And I'll just spin around for you again to show you the lovely living space. This is perfect for a single person or a couple, as a wonderful getaway, easy to just lock up and leave, so private, as I said. Now let's come through here into the mini hallway, if you like, with your bedroom and bathroom. But what I love here, if you see this lovely timber design, and let me close the door so you can see. Now the only thing is it's very dark inside, unfortunately, and the light isn't working. But, whoops, might not want to stay closed for me. It's going to open itself, but they wanted to create a lovely storage space. So they've created a walk-in wardrobe in a ripostiglio storage, a bit like I've done in my house. But they've done it so that it's a lovely finished timber wall that when the door's perfectly closed, you really don't notice. And then you open it up, and I hope the light is going to be enough. I might have to grab my phone to show you. But they've created a lovely high walk-in wardrobe in there. So all of your clothes, there's drawers in there, hanging space, things, plenty of space for everything. And then to the right, let's go into the bedroom. So this is the one and only bedroom. Of course, it's a 1-bedroom house. Very light and bright, as you can see, a really good sized bedroom. So again, the lovely floors continue throughout, really easy, clean, easy care flooring. Again, a lovely big window, all with shutters. All of your windows have the wooden shutters. The bed is staying, all the furniture is staying except for the large wardrobe here. They are taking that with them. And let me just show you, I think this window here is only looking sort of towards next door. But as you lean out, you get those beautiful country vistas again, which is really, really lovely. So you could fit a larger wardrobe there. In fact, if I stand back, sorry, that wardrobe could easily be all the way to the wall if you wanted, or you could have a large one across this wall here, even larger if you needed a really big wardrobe space. But don't forget, you also have that walk-in wardrobe that I've just showed you. And then let's go across here and have a look at the bathroom. Right, so the bathroom, of course, has bathroom tiles on the floor, the only difference from the rest of the house. But in here you have a fixed cupboard here. You have your front-loading washer, which is staying. You have a lovely little cupboard there for storage, your corner shower, toilet bidet, and you have this lovely little vanity here as well. Quite a good size actually, with a marble top. It has a Carrara marble top and a really lovely matching mirror, as you can see. Very nice neutral tiles throughout. And a really large window again, which of course you may not keep open all the time. You probably have your shutters pulled closed some of the time, especially when you're in here showering, etc., because that is the communal area that you can walk through and other people can walk through. But in fact, you have usage of this space behind as well. Not that you need it, because you have a beautiful private garden, which is what you would obviously use. But it's a really pretty outlook, as you can see. And again, just coming back to details, of course, we have central heating there throughout. There's a beautiful breeze blowing through this house. I can tell you, I'm just standing here and loving this on such a hot day, with all the windows open, beautiful breezes. So just a quick little journey around today, because it's probably one of the smallest homes I've done for a little while. But you know what the beautiful thing is? This has so many pros. It's easy to lock up and leave. It's absolutely move-in ready. It's all on one level once you're here, which is really important. But not only the house is on one level, you walk straight out into your one level garden. So many positives. I think that ticks a lot of boxes for a lot of people. I know it would for me. So there's just a couple of little finishing touches to add your own touches. As you can see, some of the light fittings obviously still need to be added in, but that's nice because you might want to put a chandelier like I have in my lounge room, or you might want something ultra modern, so you can just do things in your own style and make it exactly how you want it. So let's finish off here at this beautiful vista again from the lounge room window. What a view. Absolutely worth every cent. Well then, what's your opinion on this one? I'd love to see in the comments all those lovely opinions. Tell me what you think, what you liked about it. I'm sure quite a few of you are going to think this would be a great option for you. I know a lot of you ladies out there, for example, I've got some beautiful ladies that search for houses on their own, and they love this kind of thing, I know, and they're often really hard for me to find, but especially in a place like Larry. Larry is so sought after, and things just don't come on sale here. I was looking for David and myself, in fact, back in the day. Things just don't come up, and if they do, they sell in 5 minutes. So if you love this, please contact me quickly on househuntersitaly.com, or otherwise househuntersitaly@proton.me. Just zip me an email really quickly so I can help you. So this wonderful house with not a thing to do except for maybe just a couple of light fittings, a little bit of garden, some garden furniture, and some fresh sheets for the bed, etc., etc., is for sale at €185,000, but it is negotiable. Now that, ladies and gentlemen, is a bargain here in Larry in Tuscany, I can tell you right now. So get on to that email as quickly as you can. Let me know if you're interested. If not, I'd just love to hear from you, to hear what you have to say. But honestly, this is truly an amazing property for the price, and an absolutely wonderful option for many of you as a holiday home. But I would happily live here full time as well, because as I said, Larry has everything. It's a wonderful place to live. So this would make a great permanent home as well for someone. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you so much for joining us once again on House Hunters Italy. And please press the like button, send us a little message if you like. You can even hype us if you can from your phone or small device. That really helps the video to get out to more viewers. And thank you for all your support. We love making these films for you. I really enjoy it. So help me to keep on helping you to do more. And I'll see you very, very soon again on HHI, House Hunters Italy, here on YouTube. Until then, grazie. Alla prossima. Ciao. And this is the lovely arched way that you can come in down from the street and go through the communal garden, as I mentioned, from inside. Posso filmare? Sì, grazie mille. They've just let me come into the grotto of formaggi. Look, I'm surrounded by thousands of cheeses. I had no idea that they had this underneath Larry. Isn't it incredible? And that's almost right next door to the house I've just been filming. Isn't that amazing? It just goes on and on. There are thousands of cheeses here that are aging. What a wonderful thing. And the perfume in here is extraordinary, I can tell you. I've just come down in the deepest part. So when there's a lot of milk, there's up to 2,000 cheeses in here. At the moment, there's about 1,000 because obviously it's been so hot, so there's not as much milk. But it's 3 different types of milk in here. It's sheep, goat, and cow mixed together, which no wonder it smells so beautiful, and it's naturally lactose free. But also the lady was explaining to me that these beautiful caves have lots of shell fossils in them because it was all under the sea hundreds of thousands of years ago, or millions of years ago I should say. So it's full of salt and full of fossils. So interesting, just amazing. So beautiful. So if you want to come in and do tastings with the lady in here, you can come in and taste the beautiful cheeses in this beautiful, beautiful room here. And it's so cool and wonderful out of the heat. Fantastic. What a wonderful little discovery we made on the way out. Then straight after the wonderful cheese place is this beautiful restaurant called La Bottega di Canifreo. And she said they have the most, Elisa was saying they have the most beautiful menu here, lots of wonderful things to eat. So can you imagine if you bought that house, you're going to have plenty of places within 30 seconds to go and eat. That is amazing, just fantastic.